In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a good PowerPoint presentation. We'll start from a blank file and walk through the essentials: backgrounds, images, design suggestions, text formatting, adding new slides, and using transitions, so you can build a clean, professional deck with confidence. Begin by opening your browser and searching for PowerPoint. Sign in with your account so your work saves automatically. On the homepage, choose Create Blank Presentation. This opens the editing canvas where you'll design your slides. Let's set a background that fits your theme. Right-click anywhere on the slide's empty background. A background panel appears on the side. In that panel, look for solid fill, open the arrow next to it, and pick a color you like. As soon as you choose a color, the slide background updates. Aim for high contrast between the background and your text for readability. Next, add a picture. Go to the Insert tab and select Pictures. Choose this device, then browse to a photo on your computer and open it. The image drops onto the slide. To resize it without distortion, drag a corner handle in or out. Keep important content away from the edges so it doesn't feel cramped. You may notice a Design Suggestions panel on the right. Scroll through the options and choose a layout that complements your content. When you find one you like, click it and the slide will update instantly. These suggestions can quickly add polish while keeping a consistent look. Now let's work on the title. Click the title placeholder and type your text. Select the title you entered, then choose a font style from the font list. Pick something clean and easy to read. Adjust the font size using the size dropdown, and if needed, change the font color by opening the color menu and selecting a shade that contrasts well with your background. To continue your presentation, add a new slide. Go to Insert and click New Slide. You can now create your second page and repeat the same process. Background, images, and formatted text. While you're on the Insert tab, you can add many types of content, including a text box, table, pictures, cameo, video, audio, shapes, the stock images, icons, smart art, and charts. Just click the one you want to place it on your slide, then position and size it as needed. Finally, bring motion to your deck with transitions. Click the Transitions tab and select a transition you prefer. Preview a few and choose one that feels smooth and not distracting. That's it. Clean, simple steps to build a good PowerPoint presentation that looks professional and communicates clearly.